Hey guys, today I'm going to be forging a knife out of rebar. Now I know rebar isn't the nicest metal to use, or steel to use, just because it's got a high grain. Actually, a low grain, sorry. But hey, it's something I got laying around, I gotta use up this propane, so. I'm going to try drawing it out as you see here, but it's not really working. I'm trying to widen it, but it's not really wanting to go that way. I need a larger diameter rebar. Now I'm just squaring everything up. I'm going to bevel it later. First I'm going to work on this handle. Alright, so our blade's pretty much complete now. I'm going to go to drawing out the handle. This is going to be more of a decorative handle. No wood handles on it. Lots and lots of drawing it out. It took me probably 30 minutes, probably, I don't know, 12, 15 heats. Just because I've only done this twice. Both times they turned out okay, but they weren't like super nice looking. This one I think turned out pretty good because I took the time to draw it out. Alright, hot cut. It's always interesting. And every time I do this, my knife goes flying. You've seen it before. Let's do it again. Alright, so this was mistake number one. You gotta judge how big your hands are compared to how much you forged out, because I had to do this at least twice just because I was making it too small. And the easiest way to do it, I finally figured out, is just use the horn of the anvil. That's the easiest way of doing it. And I think it took me 2 tries before I figured out, wait a minute, it's easier to use the horn. That's what the horn's for, dummy. Yeah, there you go, straighten it back out again. There you go, now you figured it out. Or did you? Yeah, you did. Alright, I put a small twist towards the bend, pretty close to it. Ow, that's right, I burned myself. You gotta watch it. Or wear gloves, how about that? That's just the easiest way and the safest way, but... Now I'm just finishing up the bevels. And straightening everything out. I'm just using the small hammer to take out some of the bigger dents caused by the 3-pound hammer. Now I'll straighten her up. And quench in water. I'll clean her up on the buffer wheel and grind down the bevels with this disc grinder and shape on a profile. I don't show the sanding process because I think it's boring, and it is. Alright, so there she is. It was a fun project. Thanks y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.